Hello, today's video is a history lesson on the LCVP Higgins Boat. Right off the bat, you might be wondering why it is called a Higgins Boat. The nickname Higgins came from its designer, Andrew Higgins. Andrew Higgins designed the boat in the late 1930s. The boat's main purpose was to carry cargo to a beach and then unload and pull away again. The cargo would either be 8,000 pounds of supplies, 36 men, or 12 men and a jeep. The LCVP could float in about 3 feet of water with a full load. The Higgins boat needed a crew of 3, a driver and 2 gunners. Gunners? Yep, that's what I said. The boat had 2 M19 1930 cal machine guns to defend itself and cover the troops when they land. The LCVP has a 255 horsepower diesel engine that at full speed can power the boat to 25 knots or 29 miles per hour. The LCVP participated in many battles, but they are best known for their work during D-Day, where over 800 were used. But that is just a small amount compared to the over 23,000 that were made during World War II. Before the LCVP, an amphibious attack was hard to accomplish due to slow-moving boats, which, once the enemy spotted, were good targets. The enemy would also have time to mobilize troops to the spot and beat off an attack. Sometimes considered the key to the Allied victory, the LCVP was definitely important. Without it, D-Day might not have worked. That might have meant a longer war, or maybe even a different outcome.